We are celebrating 1K subscribers. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the name Tsholo Koushu. If you are a regular, thank you very much for stopping by once again. Welcome to another weekly vlog. Currently I am in Christiana and we are about to travel to Pretoria, so I was not sure if I should vlog or not. So yeah, let me just do this introduction just in case. Let's get right into the video.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain.
Oh guys, the lash extension. I am struggling. I'm struggling so much. Like I don't know how to do this. Like yo, I'm having such a hard time washing my face while I have lash extensions. Oh, I need tutorials. Clearly, basically. Let me bath quickly and then I'll update you guys. My lashes, they are hella already because I don't know how to take care of them. Like, I really do not know. Let me show you. Come with it, really. Hey. Second. It's been a long day. I'm done bathing. I just want to sleep. We'll talk more tomorrow morning because right now nothing is giving. It's giving sleep because it's been a long day of traveling. So I'm just gonna sleep. The rest will talk tomorrow. Yeah. talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night. Guys, morning. I just finished bathing now. As you can see, my edges are done and everything. I'm just gonna have breakfast quickly, and then there are a few errands that I need to run that I'm not going to film, and then I think we're gonna head back home today. So yeah, there isn't really much to vlog. That's why I was skeptical about vlogging. Am I just not looking pretty? Okay, guys, I like it. Yeah, my voice is so yeah, it's that. So yeah, see you guys later. I'll show you guys my outfit before I head out, just for control. Okay, sharp. Morning, guys. Today it's Wednesday. Last night I arrived and I just went straight to bed. I was so tired, so I didn't have the energy to vlog, to do anything and also it was load shedding and my phone battery was very low, so I was like, no, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So today it's Wednesday and I am waiting for my take a lot order. Another thing, I'm gonna be waiting for someone to come fix the fridge because I just found out or it's nyehile. So I had to get someone to come and check what's the problem and fix it if it needs fixing. So the person came, they checked it, but now they said they'll come later because they need to fetch. I don't know what he said that they need to fetch. He's suspecting for a because fridge like I said, it's a the upper part is cool, you know, even like a bit cool, high icy, but even cool, it keeps the food cold, and it's not doing that. It's just, yeah. So the bottom part, I'm not sure if you're near very good high because it still has the ice. So I'm not sure hore ki ice ya khali or ki the normal ice it's right. So cool. And what else am I gonna be doing today? Nothing much. I'm just gonna be waiting for the take a lot guy and the guy to come fix the fridge. For now, I'm just going to have my breakfast, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. I'm not gonna be vlogging anything much today. I don't have much happening. I plan to take naps in between while I wait. Obviously I'm not gonna sleep like for real because I don't want to miss any of them, but I'm gonna take naps because I feel like I need to rest a bit more. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Get high.
Yeah. Oh. Aqui sim, já se equivou. Pessoal, você tá no fome, tá na sua cama. Hi guys, it's load shedding. I am using my flashlight and this light to make sure that you guys can see me. But it's all bankanya fridge now, guys. Yo, should be careful. Hey, I've learned my lesson. Now I had to pop out money that I did not plan to pop out to get the fridge fixed because it's icy. It just went. Apparently it's the gas. Now I won't be able to do it because Babu said it's a fridge. I get that is it called a gas bottle or what? Bari ikinya the gas. Oh hey, matlakase utla only too strong. The pipe is I don't even know how to explain, but this is how they explain to me. Hokena gas and the oil. So the oil ikena on the pipes that's the gas, and the gas is unable to go through to make sure that the fridge gets cold inside. So that was the situation with our fridge. So make sure when it's load shedding, you unplug your things. Guys, the placards are ready to what they prevent your things from I don't think they work because our fridge still encountered a problem. It gave us a problem even though we have that plug. So the best way, I think, because I know I'm lazy, I'm not gonna be unplugging everything in the house. I'm just gonna the main switch when it's load shedding, and then even when it comes back, I'm not gonna lift it up immediately because I get it, the electricity is still strong. So I'm just gonna wait a few minutes and then I'm gonna lift it up. That's the solution for now because I don't want anything else burning or any electric appliances to encounter any inconveniences. Well, so yeah, it's load shedding right now. I'm gonna finish cleaning the fridge. After cleaning the fridge, I'm gonna sleep. So for now, for today, good night, guys. Good morning, besties. Today it's Thursday and we are continuing with our weekly vlog. Your girl is looking a bit trusty. My afro is out to play. Can you guys see it? Got a little baby hair. Arisa Dula. It's so hot. The styling gel. I'll show you if I remember. If I remember, I'll show you guys. Well, yesterday I got a take-a-lot parcel and I never unboxed it, so I decided let me unbox it quickly because today I don't have much to do. Yeah, we'll just see as the day goes by. We'll see what is what. But my parcel is here, and let me show you guys the things that I bought from Take-A-Lot. Number one is this one. You guys know that this is my favorite concealer, Camouflage Matte Concealer, and it's in the shade 30 light honey. Guys, it's that time of the year, initiation schools and stuff, so I'm not ready. It's very early in the morning and these people are already making noise. Anyway, as I was saying, these are the concealers that I'm gonna use to highlight the faces of the people who are using darker foundations. I don't know if it's the same shade, but they don't look like it's the same shade. This one looks darker. These ones, they look almost the same shade. So I can't see where it's written. Could it this is number 1 or number 2 or number 3 or what? Hi, I don't know. These are from Pro Concealer High Definition concealer, LA Girl. So these are for my dark sisters with the most beautiful skin. And Jehovah. And then I also bought this Maybelline New York Lasting Fix. It's a fixing spray. December, no, I'm gonna be having a lot of clients, so I need more of these, and it's very hot, so I need these. Also bought these foundations, obviously, you know my favorite foundations, these ones. But I made a mistake with this one. Actually wanted 67, no, the Super Stay Active Wear 30-hour full coverage in the shade 67. But I don't know what happened. I ended up with 70. I guess God thought I need 70. And this one is 60, the one that almost everyone uses. So yeah, bought these also. Oh, and they were on sale. It was it 40% off? I will check and let you guys know on all the beauty stuff from Take a Lot. And then our favorite primer, this one, you guys know this is my day one primer. I like this primer, it does its job. Also, okay, before that, let me say I bought these wig caps for my clients. They install the wigs and and there's like 12 of them. 12 of them, 2 per packet. So all in all, I have like 24 wig caps, and they were less than 100 rand. Now you're gonna ask me, why did I buy more wig caps if I already have enough? So now I needed my melting belt, of which I lost in Madiboko. Do you guys remember that I went to do this lady's makeup in Madiboko, and then I lost the melting belt because I left in a hurry, and you know they never found it. And then I also wanted to buy the glue and the glue remover. Let me show you. So this package was a bit cheaper than buying the melting belt and the this and that. All I felt like this package was more reasonable. It made more sense for me to get it like this. I mean, getting 2 extra wig caps is not such a bad thing, right? Is it? It's not. So we also have a comb inside, and these are from Wendy Beauty. Okay, this is from Wendy Beauty. I guess here we'll be doing our edges. Let's see. Hi. Yeah, this is the brush for the edges. So yeah, and this is the melting belt. This is how it looks, or how long it is. I feel like it's tight enough. It's not too tight, it's just the right amount of tightness. And then we have the glue remover. Okay, it's for removing your wig, and also I use it most of the time for when there's like extra glue on your skin, and then I use it to remove the glue. And this is our Bose Bond glue. Most of you know we use it for what? We use it to glue down your what's this, your lace wig. So yeah, that is all that I got from Take a Lot. This is all that was delivered, all of it. And this cost me, all this cost me, I think 1,000 rand. Not over 1,000 rand, but I think it was 1,000 rand. So yeah guys, today I'm not doing much. I think that is it for today. I'm just gonna clean art history. It is raining, and after that I'm just gonna be editing this vlog. The past few days that I've already filmed, I'm gonna edit them, and then that will be it. So yeah. Hi guys, today it's Friday and I am about to head to Bloemhof to do my nails. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's talk, sorry, when I get to Bloemhof now. Why not?
Oh, see, you're kidding me. It's like it's all trendy stuff.
Here we go. Here we go. My nice with this. I'm happy.
So teeny.
This is a teeny and pen.
Tsholo Koushu.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Quickly I just thought I should greet you guys quickly before I start with my day. My first client is already here. It's 8 o'clock, so she's here to do her makeup, and I thought let me greet you guys quickly, because once I start with them I'm not gonna be able to do my introductions for Saturday. Today's Saturday. So plans for today, I have clients in the morning. After that I'm gonna prepare myself and go to Bloemhof. Remember, I'm attending that event, Kosanfeld. I still don't even know the name of the event because Dino just said, girl, pull through, we are going somewhere. Another thing, I don't think my outfit is make sure, yo guys, but then it means I have to exaggerate my makeup and my wig, and just to distract the people. For now, let me quickly start my day and start with my client's makeup, and then I'll show you guys my outfit, and then we'll start our vlog properly. Me traveling from here to Bloemhof, everything that's gonna be happening at the event, and so I'll see you guys later. I'm done with my first client. I'm waiting for my second client, so I said in the meantime let me cut these. Lord, this Caesar, it's not scissoring, because I want to wear a wig. I want to install, so oh guys, let me go look for a better scissor. I want a better scissor, so I'm just gonna cut these guys. And then I don't like looking otherwise, because now it means also my confidence is gonna be on the line. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do this, how I am wearing a wig. Feel it. So I'm gonna take this wig cap. I'm gonna put these inside. I'm going to get once I styling the gel for a melt. Guys, look. The blue, like see clear on top, because that's the part that melted. I don't know if you guys can see. More the clear parts, I get it melted. So I think the product that is supposed to hold the hair is logo classy, and then wasala this one and because hey guys, what is this? Anyway, let me just try to push my edges back. Let me use this one. I'm gonna use the Eco Styling Gel, but that's not for edges. If I love this one for edges, heaty iponsitse deflame session. So now it's a problem. Yeah. So after this, I think I'm still gonna need wig cap. Now, Mama. Sorry about it. I said I'm not gonna shoot content me installing a wig, because I wanna do a proper wig installation tutorial. So I thought there's something on my face. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna do a time lapse of what is what. And then we'll take it from there. Even scalp. Okay. All right. Hi guys. I already installed my hair. You guys didn't see that part because my client arrived, and then I had to do our installations simultaneously. So that's why I could not vlog or do a time lapse of my wig installation. Now I'm about to go to town because, like I said in the morning, my outfit is not make sure, so I'm going to look for something to wear, something that's gonna make my outfit you get. So I'm hoping I get something. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hello guys, the orange shirt, it's this one, but it's too long. It's not make sure. And then the other one is this one. It's also very long, also. And I don't want a white shirt. Nope. Okay, there's also this one, but I don't want green. I want something that's gonna match with my outfits. The pink is also extra large. People okay le na re ke mo vlog. This is the lady that I did her hair. Ko ba bontshana ba mmiri.
Ki thata molleno.
Sa tla mollo. O shapela.
Akere ke dire head US snack ya.
Okay, ke rona hela no re tla ya re tla dira in function yang ko artist.
Are ke sho. Manga re ke tsa green o no itse ke na green one.
What green? Moses. Kitse 10 million.
Why bona? 80 rand.
Sa oil. This is nice. So like if other influencers back into these. So I don't know whether I should take blue or green. Because there's green, there's blue, and there's white. This is the white one. And then there's silver. Guys, these are nice. I think I'm gonna buy these for accessories. Don't look at my YouTube channel.
Yo.
Guys, below I have to tell my YouTube channel because apparently, I mean, like, look at me. Eh? Sharp. Guys, this is what I got. These two. I don't know which color to take, but these are nice. These look so nice. Let me fit and show you guys. Guys, this top is giving. I think this is the top. This top is the girl. It thinks it is sham. So like heavy. So yeah, let me rush back home. Given is my client coming and sort that one out. So it would have been nice if it really look gold.
Ya pita ma. Original. Original man arjebe. Bo. Pokoknya nak kopi bisa kopi. Oh. Zena ne. I think ro kita di tahu tahu. Amna begitu.
Guys, I am so late, it's not even funny. But I think, oh, it's giving. I think the makeup is giving, the hair is giving, the top is giving. I am taking this bag because I don't have an orange bag, so I think I've got enough orange. So, yeah. I'm about to leave now. I'm so late, guys. Can you believe it is 3 o'clock and I'm only leaving now at 3 and the event started at at 11. Anyway, let me leave. Sharp, guys. Hi, guys. Guess what time is it? 3:30. 3:30. Okay, like when I'm Christiana, I have more fun. I have faith. That's what I'm hoping. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to move.
Big shot, superstar, only shot, finish shot, all I get, body clock. You want more like Bolivar. Big shot, superstar, only shot, finish shot. Like two by butter, but he said, don't cruise like I delicate. Jiggy, heavy, all the girls love me, over like money, on me. Jiggy, heavy, all eyes on me. Machiavelli, girl, you got me spinning, yeah. Doing too funny on like the back. With it top down, no, bruh. You been drinking and the dirty money is sinking. Girl, you got me spinning, yeah. Doing too funny on like the back. With it top down, all shit, yo.
Guys, give it a play. I drop Vivian. Like, how many kids are going to scared? still on that vlog. I'm gonna vlog now so that you guys see it. Okay, let's allow you sit there. People will be packing their things and leaving. Guys, you know you. I found her finally. After 10 minutes calls actually. If I get guys, this is Sunfeld. I've never been here before, so
First time experience.
so far so good.
Are you loving it?
A lot. Okay, but I was already for pictures made for Instagram
Content.
and stuff. That was already picture. The sand is hectic.
Too much. Can you get that picture of your video? Get it. Hi. Get it. Give me that 360. Something tabuha. Speed chassis. Something tabuha speed. I got on 360.
Jiggy, jiggy, heavy, heavy. All the girls love me, over like money. Call me jiggy, jiggy, heavy, heavy. All eyes on me. Machiavelli, girl, you got me spinning, yeah, yeah. Doing too funny on like the back. With it top down, no, bruh. You've been drinking and the dirty money is stinking. Girl, you got me spinning, yeah, yeah. Doing too funny on like the back. With it top down, all the shit, yo. Yeah, no, bruh. You know they love me. Feel like Versace. Feel like Versace. Feel like Versace. Yeah. Feel like Versace.
But let's meet. I don't know meet or chaka. But you la rasa kitira vlog. Esinya kulubeke pin. Mara hakuna budi verse or budi Cause I don't even know where's the meat coming from, but I'm eating.
Mama,
I wanna do rolls or something. I wanna eat something concrete before. Hi guys, my battery is dying, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. If battery then this vlog is okay. If it's a hell because now we are on 19%, then I'll vlog until it dies. But for now, peace out. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow, or I'll vlog before I sleep. So yeah, I'll see you guys.
Cannot drive for the day. Fantastic.
Big shot, superstar, body shot, finish shot. All I get, body block. You want more like Boulevard. Big shot, superstar, body shot, finish shot. Like two bottles of butter, but they said don't cruise like I delicate. Jiggy, jiggy, heavy, heavy. All the girls love me, over like money. Call me jiggy, jiggy, heavy, heavy. All eyes on me. Machiavelli, girl, you got me spinning, yeah, yeah. Doing too funny on like the back. With it top down, no, bruh. You've been drinking and the dirty money is stinking.
Hi guys, I am back at home and I just got home and fell asleep. Then I woke up now. I'm about to eat. My mama pele sontakos erekile bonds. Okay, let's eat the things wait again. It looks so delicious. So just want to eat and go back to sleep. I'm not doing anything today. I'm just gonna eat, sleep, wake up later, try to finish editing this vlog, and then that'll be it. So I just thought I should close this vlog properly. Thank you guys for watching the video until the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question or a suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to your channel, please do subscribe. And until next time, honeys. Mwah.